Hello and welcome back to Alpha 16 series for 7 Days to Die. Finally, it happened. I got a battery. Well, that's my second one. Oh, got another engine. I spent all night. As you can see, the wrench that we looted last episode is basically going to break any second now. And once it's done, we can no longer wrench. Yep, that's it. It's done. Oh, might as well scrap it. No point in keeping that. In case you're wondering how many cars I've wrenched, every single car in Joey's slot. All of those. The one in front of our house, the one over there, one over there I wrenched. Like, it was insane. I did end up having to fight a roaming horde. I got infected. Thankfully, there were 3 nurses. One of them gave me antibiotics, which were 30 minutes left, so we can't get infected, thankfully. So let's go build our mini bike. So out of all those cars that I've wrenched, plus the ones I've wrenched at our other home, here's how many batteries I got. 2. 2 batteries. A ton of engines, like crazy amount of engines, but 2 batteries. The drop rate for batteries is so insanely low. Alright, so anyways. As you can see, today's Horde night, we don't have a Horde base. We're not properly prepared for fighting the Horde. So I got to plan that out. We will go visit Wreck, but in the meantime, let me show you the mini bike. We need a battery. Obviously, a better quality battery. So, here's something about the Alpha 16 mini bike. Here's how you make it. It's not built. You assemble it. First, you put down the chassis. Then you press E to interact with it. And you put, as you can see, speed 0. It's slow. So if we put in the handlebars, that all this does is affect the durability. The engine affects the speed. As you can see, it's fast. Now let's try to switch it out with I should have bought the other engine. Let's switch it out for a less efficient engine, a lower quality engine. What's the lowest quality we have? 243? Good enough. Alright. There's some warning chime. Oh, I thought that plant was a freaking zombie. Alright. Hold E, open this. So we remove this. You can see 17 meters a second, right? Noise is soft. Defense 32%, etc. Okay. Remove that, put this. See? The engine quality affects how fast your bike goes. Why the hell did they remove that feature from future updates, man? Like, that is such a great thing. The better the quality parts you use to build your vehicle, the faster it goes, the better it is, and the more resistant it is to, you know, crashing into shit. Anyways, we hungry? Yeah, we're hungry again. That's good because we need food anyways. As you can see, we're at 107. Alright. So now we've run into a second issue. I don't want that. I don't want the cloth. We can't take everything with us. But I can do this. In case you're wondering, oh, why don't you just put it to the mini bike storage? Mini bike doesn't have storage. For you to get storage, you need to find the basket. No, you cannot craft the basket. So now let's refuel this. Let's see, we have 3,000 fuel, right? The mini bike takes almost 2,000. Okay. I have to figure out what I'm gonna bring with me because I really do not want to come back here again. I mean, we'll have to come back here eventually because they have the big tower, that big base tower there. Alright, so obviously I need the springs. There's no question about that. Can we put on the black shirt? No, I don't want to scrap the black shirt either because I like the black shirt. Crap. No, we need the repair kits. There's no doubt about that. I mean, I guess I could leave the gas behind. I do have a lot of pistol parts. I think we're set. How far away are we from the trader anyways? I mean, we're not that far. But we're also on a... Alright, we also gotta wait. Alright, let's... Oh my god, driving this thing is horrendous. Oh yeah, you can't look at the map on your enemy bike, by the way. That is a feature I very much miss. Oh, wait. Yeah, driving on this is janky as hell. Because you steer with WASD. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like super choppy trying to drive. Telling you, man, performance has been improved so much in later alphas. That is something I don't miss about Alpha 16 is the really shitty performance, how choppy things are. I mean, right now, it's still running at 60 FPS. It just looks like it's running at 5. Also, you could crash into anything and it wouldn't break. Like, yeah, it's like... It's crazy. Alright, let's do our little sell-off. Oh, yeah, that's right. You open at... Thank you for teleporting me right into a zombie. Very kind of you. You just kicked me out next to death. I forgot they open at 6 in the morning. Alright, well, I guess I'll see you at 6. I finally freaking open. Gotta be careful with that vulture. Those guys have a... They used to have a much higher infection rate. Oh. Okay. Also crazy lag.
How about I empty your pockets?
Alright. I want to combine the compound bows. I gotta keep that. I'm selling that. I gotta keep the radiators. Hunting rifle I could sell. Hunting rifle parts I could sell. Hunting rifle itself I could sell. For a lot of freaking money. The oil, it's really only used for Molotovs. We could just sell all of it. The rest I can more or less keep. I'd rather not sell the rest of it, to be honest. Alright, did he get anything new? Doesn't really look like it. We already have a generator bank that we looted previously. Don't need the rest of that. He doesn't have any good books. Secret stash. We already read that. He doesn't have... He really doesn't have anything. Considering selling the sniper rifle, to be honest, I really don't care much for it. I'm not really going to use it anyways. I mean, it'd be good for hunting deer and stuff, but... Give me a way to use 7.62 ammo also.
Oh, you want a guarantee, huh? Well, maybe you should try Shamway.
Yeah, I need a lot of this stuff. I can't just sell that. Anything good? I might as well buy up all the food because food's gonna be an issue later on. Alright. We need to head home. which is that way. Thankfully, with this super fat. That's a roaming horde. It is a roaming horde. Man, I love how often roaming hordes and stuff will come by. Like it's almost been like a daily thing. Oh, level 40. Now we can get the next level 18. Yeah, look at the size of this, man. Look how many zombies we had. You are overheating. Yeah, I know I'm overheating. Thank you for notifying me for the 5th time. And we got bonus points now because of the quest we did. Let's check these bodies real fast. See, there's a... damn it. Well, we lost a corpse there. Nothing. 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 Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chemical part's good. Alright. Let's... oh god, how janky it is. Oh, yeah, you can even run over yucca dings. Man, now that we have the mini bike, it really opens up the world for us. We could go anywhere, we could go see anything. In case you're wondering, because I'm actually very curious. Yeah, there's like a burial ground that we could go into, but it only has like it has really shitty loot. That spot I do remember very vividly. Yeah, driving around always felt like trash. Oh, we should start cooling down now that we're back in the forest biome. Alright, so here's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to get organized. Yeah, that didn't take long to get from point A to point B, did it? They weren't joking when they said fast. Oh yeah, this will be our light for Horde Night, by the way. The thing came equipped with lights. And, by the way, in case you're wondering, when you take damage, he's partially grade. Anything breaks, I think your minibike's fucked. Anywho's, I'm gonna get organized. I'm gonna start preparing our Horde base, and I'll see you then. Well then. Freaking dog horde, dude. I'm nowhere near done with the base, by the way. I was trying to get more resources, and then I hear this weird noise, and I turn around and freaking 6 dogs coming at me. I'm trying. I'll infected again. Great. Pretty sure I have hunt or something in the base. Right now I'm trying to collect wood. Yeah, wood does not upgrade into cobblestone. I completely forgot that. It goes wood, scrap iron, and then concrete mix. Oh man, I am woefully unprepared for this. Very, very unprepared, man. And I gotta repair this damn thing too. And I got messed up really badly. 50 health? Doesn't this give us like 130 in the new version? Oh, just do it. First stage infection, eat 1. Right there. Infection's cured, we're healing, we're fine. I need to repair that because it's broken as hell. Cannot believe that, man. And I made all this flags, and I made all this cobblestone for, well, not too much cobblestone. Oh, man. Anyways, be right back. And it begins. Alright, let's see what it is. I was worried about that. I said some spikes. Oh my god, there's so many dogs. I did not expect that many dogs. Oh shit. Everything. I needed to reach the if things get really bad, I'll pull the hell out of here. Yeah, I'll nerd pull in case things get really dicey. Yeah, he's definitely had to be super frustrated in these fights. This is the whole style base, man. Crap, I see someone on the other side. Turn the long spikes upside down. Walk out the way. I mean, it's day 7, I don't expect much action. Basically, old school base time. Long spikes. As bright as they are, they go too like rat. Like the easiest path. Hold up. You guys are a little loud. Let's put you at 50%. There we go. Man. Fortnite hasn't changed its pattern. I mean, it has changed a lot. I mean, it went from having this kind of base to now it's like, hey, just make a ramp, make a walkway, have a drop, and you're good. Nope. What are you doing, you stupid dog? Look at this freaking animal. I gotta be careful with this. They can easily break in. This base isn't really that fortified. And I definitely not fortified at all. Let me see if I can drag them over here. Would I come over here? Nope. I guess that's the only good thing that the wood and stuff degrades. This jackass will just move over. Very happy. died on his feet. He died on his feet. Whoa. You know what? I should do this. You actually did me a favor. So I have to be all fucking weapons, man. Think the Horde Night's over. God, they broke up some of these damn blocks. That's got destroyed. Oh, lesson learned. Definitely gonna have to be better prepared for next Horde Night, man. Holy hell. It's very, like I said, like, Day 7 Horde has never been, like, crazy strong. Hello. But they still trickle in, I think. Unless a second wave starts. I can't remember, man, to be honest. Bro, can you not fuck up my base? Dude, this... Yeah, that scrap iron stuff is not good. Definitely should have just made the base out of flagstone. That was a mistake on my part. Yeah, so now they just triple and drop the knight. I need to fix this. I'm gonna have to actually go outside. I mean, I could always nerd pull in case of anything. Oh shit. Yeah. The AI back then runs around in circles like a freaking idiot. And then gets a cheap hit on you. Yeah, so that is some of the stuff I definitely don't miss about old ass what's this thing called? Man, I can't wait till I can start assembling pistols so I can take the ammo out of those. Oh shit! Dude, that fucking scared me. Piece of trash. I'm trying to freaking get rid of these blocks. Oh, fuck. Stop crouching, you fucking idiot. Alright, I gotta fuck off. I gotta fuck off. That got a little too dicey for me. Where the hell's the healing? I need to make one more, you freaking kidding me? Am I even healing? Health? Oh, that's right, the freaking... Yeah, the first aid isn't like, instant. It doesn't heal you that fast. It actually takes a while to start kicking in and actually healing you. The only thing that really heals the first are like the first aid kits. How can I get rid of this asshole's corpse? Can I, like... Nope. Yes! There we go. I have no wood. Of course I don't. Well, that's it for Horde Night. Short, quick. Zombies will trickle in every now and then to come beat on you, but that's it. Alright, so we need to redesign the space. I can't believe I wasted 2,000 scrap iron. I forgot basically flagstone was the way to go, and then you just upgrade it from there. I completely forgot about that, but I haven't played Alpha 16 in what? 5, 6 years? I mean, how long has it been since Alpha? Anyways, let's increase some of our stuff. We can't increase... Blade weapons are a no-go. This is still a ways off. Steel smithing, we need weaponsmithing 4 and science 3 and toolsmithing 6. So, get that. Get that so we can actually start repairing our damn wrenches. I don't really care. Man, Fast Eddie would be nice, because some of this looting takes fucking forever. I hear a moron. Oh, it's a crippled moron. Never mind. I don't know what to spend my points on, to be honest, man. I gotta redesign this whole base. So we're definitely gonna need 2 workbenches. One for more or less permanent crafting of cobblestone. There's no way around that. We need a lot of cobblestone. As a matter of fact, since I'm gonna be here all night, just start crafting away at it. What else do we need? Reduces how long it takes to craft things by each. Oh man, that would be really sweet to have. But we have more important things to, like, get. Do I have water on me? Nope. Of course I don't. Okay. Let's try to figure this out. We have 49 points. Firearms we can't craft yet, so there's no point investing in this. Weaponsmithing or club is not gonna last that much longer. And of course, since we can't we don't have a proper way to repair it, which is another problem. I think we can't, yeah, because we don't know how to make it, we don't know how to repair it. So, ouch. Alright. So once this thing's done, we're kind of screwed. We have to go back to the other club we had before, which is way weaker. So I think it's good to invest in weaponsmithing, just to increase its quality. Please stop destroying my fucking blocks. You know what? If I scrap 10 of you, that'll give me 15. Which should be enough to repair that. If I get these... Oh, for God's sake. Look, oh shit, the old school spider zombie. I haven't seen him in forever. By the way, he used to, unlike spider zombies now, these assholes can crawl up walls. Yeah, spider zombies in Alpha 16 can crawl up the wall, so you had to do like a little overhang to block them. Look at the moon, it's blood red. Anywho, yeah, that is kind of what made them fearful. Kill the rabbit. And then we need to kill two more spider zombies and we're set. Hopefully 2 more will show up during the rest of this Horde night. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Oh, that's right. We needed to invest the points, but we kept getting distracted by some idiots. Is there anything in construction we would need? No. Is there anything in health? We're not there yet. Do not get hit by this guy. He hits like a Mack truck. Can you, like, come over here? Come on. There you go, Pudgy. Yeah, this, making, I completely forgot. That's that, current 7 Days to Die mentality. I thought, alright, wood's gonna go to cobblestone, then I get, you know, concrete mix. No, I forgot. You need to start off with flagstone, upgrade flagstone up to concrete. Not this shit into scrap iron because it's garbage. What a fucking mistake that was. I mean, it's not terrible, it's just that 1000 HP versus, well, 500 there, but if we were to upgrade it into its next thing, how much is this? Yeah, 1500. So way more. Oh, there's another spider. We need to be careful with these guys, cause nice aim. And just like now, they still move. They can still move when you're like all messed up. It's annoying. Constant trickle draw Fortnite. Really should move to another spot. Yeah, this place is like ruined. Business suit. Money. We need to replant the trees also. Nope. You know what? Let me stand over here. Also, let me heal myself. Can't believe how many healing bandages I've gone through, man. I will say that's one thing I do like about this version of 7 Days to Die. It's like, healing bandages really didn't heal you that much. You need a proper first aid kit. So if you actually wanted to craft first aid kits, because straight up healing bandages would not take care of your ass. Oh. Alright, so what do we want? Do we want to get Fast Eddie? Man, it would cut down on looting so much, dude. 30%. What level are we? We're level 46. We still need to get so many more skills, though. It's getting expensive now. Like, these two alone would be 30. And to get the last stage of Pummel Pete would be 25. Not to mention, you know, all the gun stuff. I think what we're gonna do is probably. I mean, I think that's the main thing that takes us forever is the looting. So, oh, there's the last guy I need. Nice. A couple of more points at least. That's the only good thing about those quests. So, quicker crafting, useless. Fixer, repair time, repair amount, repair quality. Lost. Miscellaneous crafting. I don't really care about that. So we need to get into Fast Eddie, whether I want to or not. It would make scavenging way faster, to be honest. No, I'm gonna get put 2 points into it. Quality Joes, we find better things, I guess. Because the rest of this is... it's fine. We have 19 points. I don't want to mess with this guy's secret stash. And I believe that's it. No, because we need science also, because this helps dictate the quality of the auger. Look at this asshole. Look at this asshole. Oh, shit. I hate it when he just that. Like, that's one thing about them in the past. They couldn't climb him up properly. Anyways, we're done here. Horde night was a success. We survived. We didn't die. We still gotta kill rabbits with a shotgun, and then we gotta go after the berry supplies, which we might do next episode, to be honest. We have the mini bike. We do have the mini bike. We have ways to travel fast. The world's opened up a lot more for us, so we'll do that. Here we go. I go have better stuff in science. Anyways, thank you all very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support. Take care. Bye-bye.